Bia Kamal Kanur online TV channel to kon kaler mo kon lingwasame ka korun wanga dan chana ruac ka roj mishalat ka social media no sha wude me cha jeyen kum kirma yadit ruac mo chikon diala nen ruac ka kwi wuda nuäärä me chiwokel ke de SSPDF aba video da baje play gwas me biajeling me chawore wi ka Juba gwase da ne che de ne SSPDF te konte cha dakre which ku yara diu me cha ka kantin chikaring ku yer ke chika yeri kana jatti wona ku yer chikan wudo mo chikan o jog doro gwadan teten so chi wudo mo ka chu kablo te ka kel chu yu nangre which ka Juba mishwagu jeno chega de nangane ko chega lok da chu dot chokan chu chokel antama ko wuda tong mi che jo jeno che wala no chi jente ka koro kane titi en woni de konte ka kor kane de konten tere wi kana ser kan ulang alo jeni che daten ka kore dan che dakpin la kor mi de long che tegarik tu ngani tokten so antama me shi ne te ko ken nyoko wa tin cha kare which kanasir so shi nasir kawlang ala din de ne SSPDF tin cha kap rewi kanasir kan ga ne jen kan kuma kan kare ne kan ngun kan de ne konen cha nang ga jen gwas me ke din tin konen te kawlang no kan din tin te kawlang wa jel kan karam kel bo mi jere wi kawlang ba mi chure wi ka Juba ka kel de ni ko baro wudien tongomi che tuogono chi kan wudo me chi kan nyoko mo kan matin kan de nyete konte te cha kan chana jamling manda lat ko gwasa me SSPDF spokesperson te ko raj michalat gwasa me jenni jene ko dismiss ne rajadan chalat ko social media no sha wudo me cha jeyen e jenne misar kon nyang banang kan kon yen ko do bran chalat ke je gor jen o de yero jadana chalat gwas me de jen ling so ni chana je linkel yo ko kore be nyoko mo kwana je ka to English mishi ka to ko ra ni chana je linkel.
Why I brought this young man. Of course, all of you would recall that the first successful extraction was done under the leadership of Nyang Banak. He came to Juba to accompany the first leg, and today we came with him with the intention of him joining his counterpart. We thought there was going to be a counterpart coming from Bulang, a member of the White Army, to come and say a word of thank you. He has not come, so we brought him in so that he also shows that what was started in Akoba County is the same thing that is being done. There is a cooperation between members of the White Army, and there were a lot of allegations that he was arrested. You know, the anti-peace element. They took to social media saying that he got arrested. We'd like to let you know that he's here. He has not been arrested. There was no reason for him to be arrested because he was doing a great service to the nation. So to social media warriors, those who are fabricating things, God is here to say thank you to the leadership of the White Army.
ngana mete ga nei di anyo ka jam ngana nyo anaka ka fal kena ka ta ji to nei da ban wannan ti ngana ruwa ya mo mu ku ne je ye lakin ngan mike ko da pol kanga kiya ngai ngwana me di de long me kwan yana ne mete ga mike bero manga mike le ni ta ka sin ne wo mete ku me sin de na rodan lwe de na rodan ka to ku ga manana to ka ku me ngane de na yin de na ka kon pur mete ga mike to ko kon de kon gile ku me kiya ga mala no kon ben ngane ko ron mike nei da ban wan lo ben kor nal ji kan te ga nei ya lo kwanya ka ta awo ro wula ngane pala ro dun pin ka je no mike to la ga ti nyen la ka ri ge ngane mike kuma mike roi sin ga changa wale ke ga changa wal jo ga da nei chu panga ngane de ro dur ka pyong pi mite ga mike ra anda ta lakini ngane amada gwa mite ka matar ba ka no gwa me te sin ka ju ga ngane we ya ki roi de chong wala ja han kan nyang me mite ga mu ye ngane ngakwe gwe ka media ngane te ka
Again, Shane na gwasame kamandanan chi kana lat kemen cha lat kene ta danan chi na dier ke ko dong chaladan wo jene cha je yen ke cha je ye de bat no ko do badan le ngaje social media men tin gwasame of course men da cho la goro jen wo beran borwach ko jen che wen winimi kalling win mona ke le ngaje ne ko la nuare Bamandana cha gorgwata me Ramadan la spokesperson ka SSPDF ko biaje ling manana cha lat gwata me gorjeno baje latia SSPDF dismiss allegation of arrest. The SSPDF spokesperson would like to dismiss information circulating on social media alleging that the leader of Nuer Mr. Kwadnyang Banang, who accompanied on servicemen from Buong village, Buong Paya, Makoba County, was arrested. The anti-peace element in diaspora deliberately fabricated information and internationally spread it on various platforms to discourage and instill fear in the midst of patriotic South Sudanese who are currently protecting and taking care of our gallant forces that were scattered after the fall of the historical town of Nasser. Mr. Kwadnyang Banang has been meeting and encouraging people to embrace culture of peace and reconciliation. Mr. Kwadnyang Banang was among notable leaders from Mulang County who received at Juba International Airport second batch of SSPDF soldiers extracted from Rup Bot. Okay, agenda na Major General Lure Kong Lad Michigan mene. Telegram log mal by the way ko ni jejen bor pankene Canadian content kan Canadian con teche ro barre ko redan ko en rami mo shi ma de che lat pinyangu mo de ko le nong rewich so telmo de ko le nong rewich so na me agenda na gor de nywa ye kele no chawraj me chaje ko no en wude me Kwadnyang Banang man choro den wo jaram dan la Kuar wai army anyok jen bo chelad no tene dang wan to ngod bare wije dana jeneten ka bong village te ba nyoko nang bare wi ka Juba ka ku mal ga man geke so jen mo nyok segmen chianga jeno kuar Nasser bo chelad ro te ge din te kel ga jet din SSPDF chit ke me shi Ramadan la spokesperson ka wai army chero jene ka gwase danen me dari ge chitwok chelad ke liu chelat bono many in general dane cha yede batbo jeni sheken crossfire ka tay dane chelat ke je ko en jawra jaga social media ba so jenana gorde nywa yekel ka do dane chalat ke je Ramadan la SSPDF spokesperson jena nono so rwanti ko ken bana kalen lingan biata kamal bye bye